Hi everyone, this is Megan Munsell, your cancer expert, and I'm the owner and CEO of Cancer Peace University, where it is our goal to set you free from the fear of cancer. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a supplement protocol that can help support during a hormonally driven cancer diagnosis. But first, I want to start by talking about hormonal imbalance and what can occur to cause a hormonal imbalance and to cause a hormonally induced cancer diagnosis. Dr. Lee coined the phrase estrogen dominance. And estrogen dominance is a dominance of estrogen where there's too much estrogen and too little progesterone, because estrogen and progesterone need to be in a proper ratio. Estrogen also has 3 different types of estrogen that need to be in a proper ratio to avoid estrogen dominance and issues with estrogen feeding cancerous growth. There's estrone, estradiol, and estriol. And estradiol has been marked as a cancer marker for a estrogen dominant, hormonally driven cancer diagnosis. Estradiol has also been found to be correlated with the xenoestrogens, which are chemical derivatives that act as synthetic derivatives of estrogen, mimicking estrogen within the body. What does estrogen do within the body? Estrogen stimulates new cell growth. During pregnancy, estrogen will stimulate endometrial cells to prepare the body for pregnancy. Estrogen will also stimulate cells for menstrual cycle. Estrogen will also stimulate breast tissue and the development of new breast tissue for breastfeeding. And progesterone plays a role in protecting the fetus by preventing ovulation and protecting the life of the fetus. Estrogen thus stimulates new cell growth, but how does estrogen stimulate cancerous growth? Estrogen stimulates cancerous growth by inducing the oncogene BCL2. And when there is not enough progesterone to help balance out estrogen, progesterone does play the role of downregulating BCL2 in the body and upregulating a tumor suppressor gene, P53. And when P53 is upregulated by progesterone, P53 will help to induce apoptosis or normal cell death. And cancer cells will avoid normal apoptosis and will not go through normal cell death. The nutrients that can be helpful in removing excess estrogen in a case of estrogen dominance, in a case of an ER-positive diagnosis, are nutrients found in the brassica vegetables. Now, you may have not found a reason to eat your collard greens. I lived in the South for about 10 years, and I learned to love collard greens as well as the other brassica vegetables, cauliflower and broccoli. And these vegetables contain an important phytonutrient, indole 3-carbinol, or I3C. And the digestive derivative of I3C is known as DIM. DIM, in supplemental form, can help remove excess estrogen in the body and have an anti-carcinogenic effect on the body. DIM, in some studies, have been shown to have a higher impact and a higher anti-carcinogen impact than I3C. In one study of mice, DIM was shown to have a lung cancer protective effect on mice that developed lung cancer after being exposed to tobacco smoke. In another study, looking at cell cultures of cancer cells, it was found that DIM and not I3C was destroying cancer cells. DIM was also found to have an anti-cancer effect in hormonally driven cancers such as breast cancer, prostate, and ovarian cancer. Also, DIM was found to be able to bind to bad estrogens in the body and xenoestrogens in the body and pull them out of the body. Xenoestrogens are chemicals that mimic estrogen in the body and can be found in BPA in water bottles or in herbicides and pesticides and other sources of synthetic chemicals that mimic estrogen in the body. DIM was also found to alter angiogenesis, which angiogenesis is the blood vessel formation in a tumor. And DIM was also found to prevent metastasis and also to influence the epigenetic cues in cancer cells. DIM was also found to help to upregulate genes that are important for intercellular detoxification, including the NRF2-mediated pathway and antioxidant genes within the cell. DIM is a great supplement to help support the body when there is estrogen dominance or an ER diagnosis with a hormonally driven cancer diagnosis. If you are a holistic practitioner and you want to learn more about Cancer Peace University, send me a personal message or email me at cancerpeaceuniversity@gmail.com. For the first person, I will send a copy of my book, What is Cancer? And my next full course for Cancer Peace University begins in August. If you want to join the next mini course, which is a 6-week snapshot of the full course, my next mini course begins in October of 2019. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you and helping you to set you free from the fear of cancer.